Hello, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are in your best of health. And children, as I always tell you, again I am saying the same thing. I am sure you all are fed up of hearing, and now you also get irritated, I think, hearing about the COVID. But children, it is very important that I keep reminding you that we should learn to take good care of ourselves, because we have to take care of ourselves. When we take care of ourselves, we take care of our entire family. Wash your hands regularly, okay? Use sanitizer and cover your mouth whenever you are going out. Many people around us, you see in the market, what happens? They are leaving themselves unprotected. They don't cover their mouth, they are not maintaining distance. It is not possible to maintain distance, but we can, where we think we are able to follow that social distancing. Let's not get into very crowded areas when not a necessity, where it is not a necessity, because as small children, I don't think it is important for you to go out. And if you see your parents moving out without a mask, tell them nicely that they have to use a mask because it is important. If your parents keep themselves healthy, they will be able to take good care of you and also of the other members in the family. So now children, let's come back to our classes. We are having a second revision today. That is, we have finished adjectives, and today we are going to do verbs. Okay. We have finished learning what are verbs. Verbs are things that tell us the action of a person, action of a noun. Okay. Just for example, sitting, writing, I am talking to you, I am teaching you, that is also a verb. And these things, when we use with a noun, like for example, Ram is writing, Ram is dancing, Rahul is laughing. So these are the different things that when we do, it is called a verb. The action that a person is doing, it is called a verb. Okay. And children, there are many activities that are there in the books that has to be completed. I am trying to do that with your completing those assessments that we are doing, even when we come online together. That is the time also I am trying my level best to make you finish doing this. But children, I am seeing that many of you are not trying to clear your doubts. Okay, you have to clear your doubts, because if you don't, you cannot do well. Okay children, so I am here over here, I am your teacher, and it is my duty, and I feel happy when children question me, when they send me their doubts, and I also feel very happy when parents send me their doubts. So children, I am here for you to learn better. If you have any type of problem, please be free to ask me. There is nothing to get scared and nothing that Miss is going to get angry with you. No, I will not at all get angry with you. I will be happy, in fact, that my children are trying to bring themselves in front and clear their doubts. Okay children, so coming back to verbs. Verbs are the actions that is being done by a noun. Now what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Okay, now if I see an animal, okay, now for example the dog is running on the road. You see the dog running on the road. So that word running over there, it is the word running is a verb, okay, and the dog over there, it's a noun. Okay, because it is the name of an animal, but this particular dog, we have got no names for it, so we are not talking about the proper noun. It is just a common noun. It is a dog. Okay, children, please see that you know all these things: nouns, proper noun, common noun. Okay, what are verbs, what are adjectives, what are prepositions, what are conjunctions. See, there are so many things, children, and again when we come online, keep a note on all the things that you cannot understand. It is a very difficult period, children. We are not coming face to face. You are not coming to school. I am not able to teach you nicely. But I try my level best, so that when we come online, when we come together, I try my level best to clear your doubts, to send you the answers. I also do screenshots and I give you the answers. Children, please make use of the best. Come forward with what you don't understand. I will not get angry. It will be a pleasure for me if you come up with your problems. Okay. So if we have a sentence, you have to understand. Learn to read, children. When you learn to read, what happens? You are able to understand what is asked in the question. Circle the odd one out. Underline the correct verb, or it can be underline the correct adjective, or it can be underline the conjunctions. Okay, make words or make sentences using these verbs. If there is a word like eating, eating is a verb. Okay, and if I have to make a sentence with eating, it should be made with eating only. You cannot change the form of that sentence. You cannot make it into ate. You cannot put it into your past tense. If it is eating, you have to make a sentence, and you should know when to use eating. Okay, when the word eating is used. So children, learn to make sentences. If I have got eating, I will say Rahul is eating an ice cream, or it cannot be Rahul likes to eat an ice cream. My eating is eating only. I cannot change the form of word. You have to remember this in your make sentences. So children, I hope you have understood verbs. You can also refer to the old videos that I have put, even the assessments that are going to follow with the video. Please do that. Learn to do proper reading, because reading will really help you improve. Okay, I have told you, many parents have also asked me, Miss, what type of books to get for the children, and they are very excited in buying those books for you, because your parents also want you to do lots of reading practice. And I will also be very happy when my children will read very nicely. Your teacher will also be happy. So children, take good care of yourselves. Revise nicely. Again, when we come online, clear all the doubts that you have. I am there for you. Whatever doubts you have, from whichever chapter, even if that chapter is not in the semester exams, even if you think you cannot understand anything from there, you are free, you are most welcome to ask me. Okay children, till then, till we meet again, take good care of yourselves. May God bless all of you, and I also wish all of you a very happy Republic Day. Okay, we'll also pray for our own country, so that the problem that we are facing right now, may God help us overcome it, and may the vaccines also be successful, and let's hope to meet soon in school. Okay children, till then, take good care of yourselves. Bye. Como se llama?